Hello and welcome to Einstein 101, a series of tutorials about the Einstein Learning Platform.
Calibration is a critical part of obtaining accurate readings from sensors. My lab offers 3 ways to calibrate sensors: set 0, 1-point calibration, and 2-point calibration. Set 0 sets the sensor's current reading to 0 and is commonly used with current, voltage, and force sensors, among others. In this demonstration, we will use the voltage sensor for an example. To set the current voltage reading to 0, tap on the setup button, then flip the set 0 switch. 1-point calibration is used with the oxygen and carbon dioxide sensors, among others. In this demonstration, we will use the carbon dioxide sensor as an example. For an accurate reading, make sure you are in a well-ventilated area. First, tap the setup button, then tap manual calibration. The sensor will start measuring the carbon dioxide level in the air. We know that our atmosphere contains about 400 parts per million of carbon dioxide, so enter 400 in the real reading box. Wait for the reading to stabilize, and then tap the lock button. Tap Calibrate. Close the calibration box by tapping outside it. The sensor is now calibrated. 2-point calibration is used with pH, ISE, and many other sensors. The principle is to take 2 accurate readings, which will then be used to calibrate the sensor's readings. This automatic process replaces the difficult and complicated process that used to be used for most of these sensors. In this demonstration, we will use the pH sensor as an example. First, we will need 2 different standards. In this case, 2 solutions whose pH level we already know. Here we have 2 buffer solutions, one with a pH of 4 and one with a pH of 10. Insert the pH electrode in a container of pH 4 buffer. First tap the setup button, then tap manual calibration. Tap the real reading box, enter 4 in the real reading 1 box. Wait for the readings to stabilize. Tap the lock icon. Rinse the electrode with distilled water. Insert the pH electrode in a container of pH 10 buffer. Tap the real reading 2 box. Enter 10 in the real reading 2 box. Wait for the readings to stabilize, then tap the lock icon. Tap Calibrate. Close the calibration box by tapping outside it. Your sensor is now calibrated. For more information on how to use specific sensors or the MyLab and Einstein World apps or other parts of the Einstein Learning Platform, please check out our other tutorials available on the Einstein YouTube channel.